Objective: to study about food materials and sources. The sources of some food materials are plants. Example: fruits, vegetables and grains like rice and wheat. Some food items such as milk, eggs and meat come from animals. For example, to prepare bread, the ingredients needed are wheat flour, yeast, salt, sugar and water. The main ingredients, wheat, is from plant sources. To prepare barbecue chicken, the ingredients needed are chicken, oil, spices, salt. Chicken is from animal source and the oil and spices are from plant source. Plant parts and animal products as food. Food from plants. The parts of the plant such as root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds store the food which is available to the animals. Green plants are the primary source of all the food. Roots from the plants such as carrot, radish, turnip, sweet potato, cassava and beetroot are eaten for the food stored in them. Carrots are rich in orange-colored substance called carotene, which changes into vitamin A in the liver of human being and other animals. Sugar is made from sugar beet in some countries. Stems of certain plants store food which is eaten by animals. Potato tuber, ginger and colocasia are underground stems modified to store food. Sugary juice obtained from the stem of sugarcane plant is used to make jaggery and crystal sugar. Leaves from plants such as spinach, cabbage, lettuce, onion and fenugreek are also a part of vegetables. Tea comes from the dried leaves from tea plant. Flowers from certain plants are eaten for their flavor and food stored in them. Sweet-smelling rose petals are used in preparing rose jam. Fruits form a large part of our food. Most fruits are eaten raw. Fruit develops from a flower and has seeds. Pulpy fruits such as papaya, apple, banana and mango are soft and mostly sweet in taste. Nuts and dry fruits are dried pulpy fruits or fleshy seeds stored for winter usage. Most of the fruits such as eggplant, tomato, pumpkin and beans are used as vegetables. Seeds are a rich source of food for man and animals. They are categorized into cereals, pulses and oilseeds. Cereals such as rice, wheat and maize are rich sources of starch. All cereals come from cultivated grasses, and after harvesting, the grass is used as fodder for the cattle. Pulses such as gram, green gram, black gram, soya bean are rich in proteins. Some of the pulses are sprouted and eaten raw. Some seeds such as mustard, sesame, groundnut and sunflower yield edible oils. Non-flowering plants such as mushroom and morchella come from fungus group of plants and are used as food. Some plants have 2 or more edible or eatable parts. Example, mustard seeds give us oil and the leaves are used as a vegetable. Food from animals. Animals are a good source of food and animal products such as milk, eggs, meat and honey are used as food. We get milk from cows, buffaloes, goats and sheep. In some countries like Tunisia, camel milk is also used as food. Milk is a good source of butter, cheese, yogurt, and cream. Milk is rich in proteins and calcium. Eggs come from hen, goose, turkey, and ducks. Eggs are rich source of proteins and vitamins. Animal flesh or meat of goat, sheep, cow, buffalo, and pig is used as food. Meat from sheep and goat is called mutton. Cow and buffalo is called beef. From pig is called pork. Fish, prawns, crab, and other marine animals are also used as food. Their flesh is called the seafood. Honey comes from beehive. Bees collect nectar from flowers, convert it into honey, and store it in their hive. We collect this honey from the beehives and use as food. Honey is rich in sugar.